Okay, so we are almost done with this house. We got the roof. We have a gable roof in on the main house, and we had a hip roof on the garage. So um, we're now ready to like put some kind of aesthetic or ornamentation on this house. So if this would be the front of your house, you may want to put some lights on here, like a wall sconce. So to do that, we could go to 2D, and then you go to not the hammer, but here in that furniture. Then you can type in a light that's called a wall sconce. So SCONCE. Okay, and then find something that's appropriate or you think is nice to have in this house. So we're gonna put it on the exterior of the house, and you can actually choose what what you like. But we're going to just find something that is appropriate for the house. And if you like this kind of model, then what you simply do is hold this down and then drag it until it finds that wall over here. Okay, and so how does that look like? You go to 3D and you should see that wall right over here. Okay, so let's zoom a little closer, and then let's so that's the wall lamp, and it's kind of small, so maybe we can adjust it. If you click this, you can adjust the width and the height, and how high is it from the wall is at 8 feet, which is good. But if you want it a little bit higher, then you could put in raise from floor is 5 foot. So you probably want it like maybe 7 feet or even 8 feet. Press enter, so it's go higher. And then the height, 8 inches is a little too small for me, so I maybe want to double it. Okay, and then the width, I want to double that also, so that's gonna be 10 and a half. Let's make it 11 inches. Press enter, and then zoom. Press outside, and that's supposed to be how your lamp is supposed to look like. Okay, um, and if you don't like that, you can certainly change it. So I'm going to leave it up to you, but I want another wall, I mean another wall sconce over here. So I'm going to go just switch to 2D. I'm going to click this light, and then I'm going to like duplicate that one. Let's just, oh, yeah. So don't click the roof, click that light, and then click duplicate, and then click outside first so you can move that into place. And I want it, I'm just eyeballing it like that. I also want another light somewhere here. So click here, click duplicate, and then click outside so I can hover over this, and it'll auto rotate based on what wall you want to put it on. So I may want to put it here, and I want to probably lower that later. So just inspect that in 3D, and we have two here, which is the correct height, and this one is too high. Oops, so I may wanted to click this, and then you can lower it using this tool over here. I'm going to lower it on that side so I have lights on front and at the end, and you may want to put some lights here also on the garage. So again, you may want to put some lights here and probably here. So if you want a different light, you simply go and find a different light that you want, and then that you can put in. Um, and if you don't like that, you can type in like a wall sconce. I don't know if it'll give us a different choice. Wall sconce. There you go. Okay. So if you want something modern, you can find something modern to put there, like this one. Maybe I want this one, so I want to put that somewhere here in the kitchen and somewhere here in the garage. I'm going to just grab this and put that here and see if it's attaching to the roof. So I need to maybe move that later. So 3D, and we're going to rotate to this view, and that is 2. So it's since it's attaching to the roof, then it doesn't have a good fit. So I'm gonna have to find a way to move that. Maybe zoom closer. Oh, that's the maximum. This is attaching the roof, and you can sort of attach that to the wall. Well, let's probably do it. Attach this somewhere here, and I think okay, that's a little better. So in 3D, I look at that one, and then I'm gonna try to make my adjustments here in 3D. So as you can see, it's above there. I want to lower it just that height, and if it's too small for me, I simply click that. Oh, can't seem to click, so I have to go back to 2D, click it here, make my adjustment by so some lights you can't adjust the dimension, and so that would be probably a bad light to use because I can't adjust the dimension, but I can sort of scale it. I think it would change this here. Okay, and let's see. If it doesn't, then we have to change that light. I don't think it changed. So oops. So you can leave it like that size, and I want to put something here. Too bad we can't put something in 3D. Okay, so we have to pick another light here, an exterior light. If you type in only light, it'll give you a lot of different lights on here. I wonder why it's not. I have been having problem with there you go, a lamp, but those are table lamps. So I'm gonna see if this one adjusts light. There you go, light, and then you can find something. But this one's a general category that it will give you. So if you want something specific, you can just put sconce again, and then a sconce is a type of light that is attached to the wall, and we use that. I don't like that in particular because I can't adjust that. Although I like the style, I just have to find something that gives me a little bit more flexibility. And wonder if this is a outdoor sconce. So I don't want this no more because I can't adjust that. And maybe I just want to use this and put that here. Okay, and see if it's in 3D. If it attached, no, it didn't. Where was it? Where is it? Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna undo because it didn't attach. So here you go. Here's something. Can I adjust the size? I can't adjust the size again, so I don't want that. I want something where I can adjust the size, and the only thing that would let me adjust the size was that first one that we pick, not that one, but this the other one where it's black in color. Where was that? I think this one is gas model lamp. You can find something maybe here at the bottom. So here's an outdoor. I don't know if I can adjust. So let's try. And then click that. Oh, here you go. Edit dimension. So you click edit dimension, and you can change the dimension 12 by 12. So let's see how would that look like in 3D. Hold your shift key while you click on the mouse and drag it so you can do it. Okay, hold your shift key and do that. And if you're not happy with, again, the height, you click on that one, you can adjust the height vertically. Okay, and then if you're not happy with the width, then you can make that, the width is probably 12 inches is fine, but the height, I want it to be maybe 20 inches. There you go. That looks odd to you. Okay, and then I probably want to copy this on this side of the kitchen door. Okay, so click that, duplicate, and then click outside so I can hover and then drag, and it should locate onto the wall. There you go. And in 3D, inspect that again, and there should be our lights. Okay, that may be too high, so click. Can I connect that? There you go. Click and send that over there. There you go. So those are lights, and how to put them and choose them. I really want to put something here, but I'm gonna let you do that. Okay. So make sure you put lights on your house and make sure that you save your work.